Hey guys, and welcome to this video. If you're new to Guide Infinity, if you could go down and hit the subscribe button, and if you consider dropping us a like, that would be amazing. Okay, let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to landscape mode in Canva. So as you can see here, we've got this gorgeous picture, but the picture is in landscape mode, and as you can see here, our template is in portrait mode. So what we need to do is we need to change this to landscape. So just a heads up guys, you will need to have Canva Pro in order to do this. So we're going to go up to the top left here where it says resize and magic switch. We're going to give it a click. We're then going to scroll down and press custom size. So click on that. And then we're going to need to put in the following dimensions. So we're going to do 1280 and then we are going to do 720. Just press enter. And there we go. We are now going to go down and press the purple continue button. As you can see here, Canva has generated us this preview. So if you are happy with it, we want to click on the purple copy and resize. And then we are going to press open, and then there we go. Canva has now changed our back template to landscape mode, and then you can enlarge your image if you want to. And as you can see, it fits in perfectly. So that was it. That was how to change to landscape mode in Canva. If you guys found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does mean so much to us. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.